So to remove your taillights, pretending these are a factory light here, you've just got one T15 screw up here at the top that you will want to take out. And once you've got that, you're just going to grab this tab up here and pull the top out first. So on the back of the light here, you're going to have your main connector, which just goes into your factory connector. So you plug that in on a US spec car. If you have a Euro spec car with 2 sockets per light, you'll use this and you will T-tap into the 2-wire socket on the non-ground wire with included hardware. But for a US car, it's just going to be this guy right here, and this will remain unused. As far as your configuration on the back of the light, you're going to have a few different switches here. So this is going to determine if it's a driver side or passenger side, which will determine where your turn signal sequence is directed. And then you're going to be able to change your parking light mode on your center chamber. You're going to have your switch right here to determine if it's a red or amber turn signal color. And you're going to have your switch right here to determine if it is a standard or sequential turn signal pattern. So going over the first switch, you're going to have the different modes. So this will be mode 1, where you have that kind of dotted look to it. You're going to have mode 2, where you have a more solid look to it. And you're going to have mode 3, where you just have that outer halo there. So in turn signal mode on the back, you're going to have your red and amber switch. So you can go from red to you can go to an amber signal and compare those two side by side there to see which one you like better. And then you're also going to have your inner switch, which is going to be standard or sequential. So right now we're in sequential. And if you go standard right there, you can put them side by side and see which one you prefer. You can also go independently. So you can do standard here, sequential here. You can do standard, standard, sequential, sequential. And you can kind of go back and forth to figure out which one is your preference. So once you have your turn signal preference selected here, you're just going to want to rock your feet back in first. Let that top slide back into place. And you're going to reset your screw at the top here to hold it all in. And you're done connection-wise.